Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got another one from Sau Tao, just like yesterday, but today it is Seafood Flavour Sichuan Spicy Noodle. This is a soup noodle. God, I hope it's a soup noodle. See, the instructions look so close to the same, but this one you drain. You really do. You gotta drain it. You gotta. Let's take out a bundle, or as I used to refer to them, a bindle of noodle. Put these in the boiling water. I'm feeling pain on my fingers because of the steam. God! Ah! Does that put it in the sensitive category? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. It's funny on the packaging for this stuff. It shows a clock. And that's how you tell how long it is. It shows like, okay, it's 12 o'clock. Okay, now it's 12:04 and it's done. But it's like, I wonder if there's people who think they have to cook their noodles at noon or after midnight. If there's people who like take that really to heart. I hope not. That would be ridiculous. Oil, powder. That's what tells me that that is a soup noodle. I mean, it's possible that it wouldn't be, but that'd be really weird. Fuego, ladies and gentlemen, that's Spanish for fire. It's 12:59 p.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. And there's weather outside and the sun is shining. Still nothing on the Stumpy situation. Yeah. Hopefully we get him on the show soon. It's important to have our guests on our show. We were going to have a live person at the bus station in Oklahoma City getting drunk, but said, oh sorry man, I ended up helping some homeless people. What? They're at the bus station, they got a home. This is Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where we show you what to do with your instant noodles and what not to do. Anyways, yeah, so it was really hot on Sunday. It got up to 99, but it is not that hot now. I think it's a downtrend, to be honest. I think we're slowly marching towards autumn. Nobody calls it autumn anymore. It's the long march to autumn. What about fall? What everybody calls it, fall? Because the leaves fall? Is it one of those kind of things? Okay. You know, it's kind of funny if you think about it. If he was at a bus station in Oklahoma City, he was getting bombed in Oklahoma City. Too soon? Yeah. I am the entire crew at Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's just me. There's no crew. That's my favorite. I get emails all the time. People trying to sell me junk because of the Ramen Raider. And they're like, hello, I hope I reached the correct person in your team. How are you doing? For your organization, blah, 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 blah. It's like, Sometimes they'll call. And how many people do you have there? One. Click. Yeah. It's not easy being green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Alright. Yeah, somebody posted something funny the other day. It was Mr. Bella did that. And it had Bert and Ernie. And I was like, hey, do you need a voiceover for that? Like, what do you mean? I'm like, I do a pretty good Ernie. Or a Kermit. But it's the same voice. I was like, yeah? Like, I don't know. If it's necessary, if it's needed. Hi ho, hi ho, Kermit the Frog. Yeah, see, I'm an adult. I'm an adult. Hey, Bert. If I'm in the right mood and I'm doing it right, I can lay out a pretty good. I can lay out a pretty good Ernie, Bert. Sometimes it kind of twangs a little, but generally I can do a pretty good Bert, Ernie, Bert. Now I'm doing it on camera, so I'm not doing so well. Ooh, that smells good. Is this, however, soup, or is this a bad idea? It smells good. This is supposed to be spicy seafood. Oh, by the way, to the guy who's been talking smack, dude, you gotta get rid of that camera. Get a regular camera. It's gotta go. It's unwatchable. You're the only person who complains about it. Only one. You're number one. Cheers. What? Broth. You can see the beads on there of oil. Man, I mean, I know it's got scallop in it, but I wish I had some more to put in it, you know what I'm saying? That's good. Alright. Just do it up. I think I'm going to take my menagerie and just drop it right in there. This is shrimp, squid, and fish ball. Yeah. Says Miles. Nestle it in slightly. Add it in full. You ate your lunch. Now we're gonna try for an egg here. I see the one I'm gonna pick. Sorry, litter mates, I'm going for this one. I'm gonna have to get more eggs pretty quick. Oh boy. Eggs. Oh, so if you haven't seen it, you need to get a movie called Pink Flamingos. If you can handle weird. Like, really weird. Like, filthy weird. It's called Pink Flamingos. It's a John Waters film. And there's a guy who's the Eggman in it. And it's pretty funny. I think... Okay. Ouch. Well, there we are. Egg. Hello, egg. Yeah, sailing the seas. Miles is having a good old time out there. Those came out good. I'm happy with that. I tried this time doing adding water to the mix, but I added a little too much, so it didn't really get as dark as I hoped. But that's okay. It's a learning process. But mung bean sprouts just aren't looking right today. Yeah, just too many noodles. I mean, I can get rid of some noodles to see more of the broth. I think that's what I need to do. That helps a little. I had something I wanted to add in. You may have seen these on instant noodle packaging before. These little flour looking things, they're called flour food. It's kind of like just a little bready texture thing. That came out of an umai crate. Go to umaikrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Hey, and yeah. They are having a good time out there on their tablets. Tomorrow is Miles' birthday. He's going to be 5 years old. He's going to be a cinquagenarian, ladies and gentlemen. And proud we all are of him. Special spoon time. If you haven't tried this stuff, you just don't know. You just don't know. Go with some sesame seed and some pepper flake. And I think that will round out what we have here today. Shall we rotate? I say okay. Well, thank you for watching today. It has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. You know, when you're thinking noodles, perhaps you should think shop.theramenraider.com. Shop.theramenraider.com, your one-stop spot for instant noodle fulfillment and wonder and raising your chakras to their full potential. Go check out shop.theramenraider.com. Also go to theramenraider.com as well. If you haven't been there and you're just hanging out on YouTube, you're missing out. There's a lot of reviews, a lot of pictures, a lot of fun. That's theramenraider.com. And also go on to the Play Store and get the app. I hope you're having a good Tuesday, or whatever day it is. Hang in there. It might get worse. Yeah, it will. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.